So we are trying to build a system in the team, and I think for most part we got it right. There are some moments in the game that Charlemont started to pressure us, and I think we handled it well. We defended well, hence we have a clean sheet. But there's a lot of work to be done, a lot of improvement to be made. But I've seen glimpses of it today, and we only can get better.
Coach, you talk about new players. You yourself is very new to this side of the country, new to Dinthill. What's your own interaction as a new coach?
Well, it's great down there. I love the camaraderie amongst the staff, management, and the coaching staff also. So and the players, we are good friends, and it's great to be here. A new area, new system, new everything, and it's just for me to put my system in place at Dinthill, get them to pass the ball, keep the possession of the ball, and think we did it. We did some stats today. So tomorrow we look at the stats and see where we can improve.
Coach, I tell you, Lenny Hyde, who we know, is a man who loves to win. And this is the first game, but I can't help but ask, what's your expectations going forward with young team, new coach? What can we expect of Dinthill going forward?
Good football. As you can see some glimpses of it today. I won't tell you about score and how we're going to reach or where we're going to reach. But from we train like how we train, the discipline in the camp is excellent. Sky's the limit. We just have to get the system in play and keep possession of the football and play some attractive football. The win will come, and we don't want to pressure the guys in that dimension, but just to play good football and work hard and be disciplined.
Finally, coach, would you like to tell us which part of the game you want to improve going forward?
Defensively, we're a possession team, and if we can keep the ball around at the back more, a desire to play out from the back and everybody get involved in the play, bring in the flank players and get them touches off of the ball. We're going to look great this season. And with more games, we'll get it. And I think the players are adapting to the system.
All right. Again, congratulations. I know this side is looking for the Lenny Bong, so hopefully we'll get some more of it.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah.